Hi, Scott Senner here with Interlinc Mortgage. And today we're going to talk about the differences between a second home slash vacation cabin and an investment cabin as it relates to requirements on down payment, interest rates that are going to be available when you purchase your cabin, and what your lender is going to be asking you when you make your application. So a second home or vacation cabin, by our definition as the lender, is one in which you do intend to occupy the cabin for various times during the year for yourself, friends, family. And then the rest of the time, you're going to be making it available for rental using Airbnb, VRBO, whatever mechanism that you wish to try to find nightly tenants, which is a very common practice, obviously, in Broken Bow since it's a resort community. An investment cabin, by contrast, is one in which you do not plan on occupying it at all. It'd be the same exact situation if you were buying a rental property, down the street from where you live now. You don't plan on using it. You can hire a property manager, let them take care of everything. It's just a normal rental house. A second home or vacation cabin, the one thing that you're going to be asked by your lender, both during the application process and when you get ready to close, is your intent on the property. If your intent is to use it yourself and then rent it out, managing it yourself during the year, then it's a second home. If your intent is to use it as an investment property exclusively, then it's an investment property. You will be signing an affidavit prior to closing if you're doing a second home that states you do not intend to hire a property manager to take control of the cabin in lieu of you trying to rent it out yourself. So that's kind of the big difference between a second home and an investment cabin, is you maintain control of the property if it's a second home. As an investment cabin, you don't. You give it to a property manager. On a second home, down payment requirements 10%, and interest rates on that is going to be very similar, if not exactly the same, as what you're going to get for a primary residence. I'm recording this on November 3rd, so if you were doing a 30-year fixed rate cabin loan right now on a second home, you're going to be getting interest rates in the mid to high 2% range. Investment cabins are going to range anywhere from mid to high threes as of today, which, depending on when you're watching this, it can be totally different, higher or lower. But anyway, hope that helps. In the next video, we'll go a little bit more into depth on down payment requirements, but basically 10% is down required on a second home, 20% down is required on an investment cabin. Thanks, and have a fantastic day.